real quick, we're gonna go over HStack. So HStack is much like VStack, only it's a horizontal stack. Take a look at the documentation here. HStack takes in 2 or 3 arguments: alignment, spacing, and content. So to pass in alignment, you pass in something like dot top, dot bottom, and spacing. You can change that number to add more spacing. Let's try making this VStack up here an HStack. So as you can see, it aligns horizontally instead of vertically. You can add more text lines in here. And you can get it going horizontally all the way. Here's a for each loop, just like the VStack we had, and they all align horizontally. And that's it.